Hi, my name is Khilan Haria. I'm an SVP product at Razorpay. In my current role, I lead product for a payments business. I've been in the fintech industry for the last 4 or 5 years. We've been using these Peoplebox for the last 15 odd months, and I would rate it 8 on a scale of 10. We've largely been solving three specific problems with Peoplebox. OKR planning. We've had the culture of OKRs and goals for the last 5, 6 years at Razorpay. And to scale this culture as the organization has scaled, we wanted to move out of Google Sheets into a robust, OKR tool. And we've used several tools before kind of zeroing on into Peoplebox. And yeah, so we use it for OKR planning, OKR execution, and monthly reviews all inside the tool. The tool also picks up our roadmaps from our master roadmap source, which is Asana. So it gives us a one integrated view and helps us really understand how we are executing against the plan strategy. I mean, one of the best OKR tools I've used, and the only one specifically that has in tool review and gives us an integrated view from not just the OKRs, but even the initiatives and projects that track against the OKR. And the best part about Peoplevox is that they're always available to listen to us as a customer, and genuinely, we find them customer obsessed like us. And it gives us the comfort that our problems, if at all we run into any challenges or our future needs, will be well taken care of. Well, this one's a tough one. I've generally been happy with Peoplebox. If I would really pick something that I would like to be better, is I think one of the things that definitely is that we pay a lot for Peoplebox, so pricing could be lesser. But yeah, I think beyond pricing, on a serious note, I think we view certain capabilities as an alpha customer, and being an alpha customer, there is always going to be some pain around the finishing touches, and that translates to adoption challenges internally. So yeah, I think that's pretty much the only thing that comes to my mind. If you're serious about OKRs, I think you should definitely go ahead with Peoplebox. It will give you a better shot at achieving your OKRs. I think genuinely OKRs are only as good as how we actually track and execute against these OKRs. So what I think, in summary, Peoplebox will increase the chance you have against winning these OKRs.